Lifespan of a Corvette, like any other vehicle, can vary depending on factors such as maintenance, driving conditions, and how well it's taken care of. Generally, Corvettes are known for their performance and durability, and with proper maintenance, they can last for many years. Here are several factors that can influence the longevity of a Corvette. Maintenance. Regular and proper maintenance is crucial for the longevity of any vehicle. Following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule, including oil changes, brake checks, and other routine services, can significantly extend the lifespan of a Corvette. Driving conditions. How a car is driven plays a role in its lifespan. Aggressive driving, high-speed driving, and frequent hard acceleration can contribute to wear and tear. On the other hand, careful and responsible driving can extend the life of critical components. Storage. Corvettes, like any sports car, may benefit from proper storage, especially in harsh weather conditions. If a Corvette is exposed to extreme temperatures or inclement weather for extended periods, it can impact its longevity. Build quality. Corvettes have a reputation for solid build quality. Different generations may have variations in materials and construction techniques, but overall, the Corvette is designed to be a durable and high-performance sports car. Ownership and care. How well the owner takes care of the vehicle matters. Regular cleaning, addressing issues promptly, and storing the car properly during periods of non-use can contribute to its long-term health. It's not uncommon to see well-maintained Corvettes with over 100,000 miles still performing admirably. However, like any vehicle, there may be components that need replacement or major maintenance as the car ages. Assess your current financial situation, including your income, expenses, and existing debts. Set a realistic budget that takes into account your monthly expenses, savings goals, and any potential car loan payments. Save for a down payment. Saving for a significant down payment can reduce the amount you need to finance and may help you secure a better interest rate on a car loan. Consider setting up a separate savings account specifically for your Corvette fund. Improve credit score. A higher credit score can lead to more favorable loan terms. Review your credit report, address any discrepancies, and work on improving your credit score by paying bills on time and reducing outstanding debts. Explore financing options. Research different financing options, including traditional auto loans, credit unions, and financing through the dealership. Compare interest rates, loan terms, and monthly payments to find the most favorable option. Consider leasing. Leasing is another option that may make a Corvette more affordable in the short term. However, keep in mind that leasing has limitations on mileage and customization. Evaluate trade-in options. If you currently own a vehicle, consider its trade-in value. This can be used as part of your down payment or to reduce the overall cost of the Corvette. Explore used models. If a brand new Corvette C8 is out of your budget, consider looking at used models. You may find a well-maintained pre-owned Corvette that fits your financial situation. Side hustles and additional income. Consider taking on side hustles or additional income streams to boost your savings specifically for the Corvette. Patience and timing. Be patient and wait for the right time to make your purchase. Dealerships may offer promotions, and waiting for a more favorable market condition can be financially advantageous. Insurance costs. Research and obtain insurance quotes for the Corvette model you're interested in. High-performance sports cars often come with higher insurance premiums, so be prepared for this added cost. Before committing to purchasing a Corvette C8 or any high-end vehicle, it's crucial to thoroughly evaluate your financial situation, ensuring that you can comfortably afford the associated costs, including maintenance, insurance, and potential modifications. Consulting with a financial advisor can provide personalized guidance based on your specific circumstances.